Hi, welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Zivot Andrews test and make it work and do the unit root test on the variables. The advantage of this test is that it will help you how to check unit root within by allowing one structural break. So by the end of the video, you will be learning how to install it and how to remove the bugs and then make it work. So we'll start with installing first. We'll go in downloads, and in the downloads you will have a list. If you have internet connected, you will go down in the bottom and see Zivot Andrews unit root. You install it, so it will look for the files folder where it should be installing it. So when you press OK, it will see that the folder already exists, because for me it was existing, but for you it might not exist. So it will install it, but it will first look for the installed file in your folder. But if it is not there, it will install it from online. Then so it is updating the file and then it will install. Now once it is installed, you close it and you go in the add-ins. In the add-ins, you will go in manage add-ins and then add those add-ins in your EViews. So open this button and Zivot Andrews folder, it is empty. The files are already here, so you can add them one by one. This one, add, and then add second one, okay, and then add the third one. So when you add all of them, close it and then open any variable and then go for add-ins and give it and use wrap. So it will give you an error because it is not able to find this file. So what you have to do is copy this name, okay, or make you remember this name and then go for in the folder in the documents, EViews add-ins. The EViews is giving an error that this file name is wrong. So what you can do is copy. This file is available in my documents, EViews add-ins, and here. So copy it and paste it again and rename it to the name that is shown here in capital letters, Zivot Andrews, Zivot Andrews. So this name. So when you press OK, then check it again, and then when you do it, Zivot wrap, the test will run. Okay. So when you change the name, it will start working because it has found the file that was needed to run Zivot Andrews. So when you run it, it will show you the unit root test on GDP. So the null hypothesis is that GDP has a unit root with structural break, so it is significant at 10%. So the data has no unit root with structural break, so it is giving you the test value. So test value is minus 2.05. It is lowest here, so it is locating that the break is placed here where the test value is lowest. This way Zivot Andrews checks for unit root. So you can also go again and Zivot Andrews wrap, and you can change the lag length or check for trend. So it will say that it is still significant, and then if you want to check for both, so it is checking for the break in both. So this way it is checking. Now if you want to check it for the first difference, then you have to just generate a variable, a series. So DLGDP will be equal to D. So this, you will run this and it will become a lag variable. Open this up and then go for Zivot Andrews, and it will show you that it is still significant. So data has no unit root at 10% level. So this way you can do the Zivot Andrews unit root test. So the major trick is that the download files names are not as required, so you have to change them first.